Hi friends, today I am going to perform paper penetration test by various pellets. Now I will be using two different variations of the same pellet. One is a normal one, the another is a diesel pellet. I will be doing the dieseling by using Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and look whether dieseling makes any significant difference in the pellet power. I will be using different type of pellets like dome, penetrator and the hollow points. So let's see what happens in the consequent test. The first pellet I am firing are the JSB 7.3 grain Diablo RS pellets without any kind of dieseling. So let's see what happens. Now I am firing the diesel version of the JSB 7.3 grain RS pellets. So friends, as you can see, this is the damage caused by the non-diesel pellet, and you can see here is the pellet stuck in the copy, and this is the damage caused by the diesel pellet. You can see much greater damage, and it has passed through the copy. Here is the exit wound, but there is no clear exit for the pellet. You can see the pellet stuck here. So dieseling has increased its power. You can see that. Now I will fire the non-dieseled version of Barracuda Extreme Hunter pellet and then the dieseled Barracuda Extreme Hunter pellet. Let's see what happens. I have just fired the Barracuda Hunter Extreme pellet non-diesel version. Now I will fire the diesel version of the pellet. So friends, these are the two entry holes of Barracuda Extreme Hunter and its diesel version. So let's see what happens. So as you can see, this one, so as you can see, these are the exit holes. These are the exit holes. So again you can see the pellet here. In the non-diesel version, the pellet has stuck here, but in the diesel version it is gone. This is a clean exit hole and much more destruction. You can see the destruction. Here is the destruction. Greater destruction in the diesel version again.